at the cafe. Cafes are generally casual places to have a drink with light snacks such as croque-monsieur or mixed salads available throughout the day. They are the kind of places where you can spend the day people watching or reading a book. Regulars tend to congregate at the bar, where coffee and drinks are cheaper than at a table. Sometimes a bistro or a restaurant will also call itself a cafe if it has seating for those just stopping in for a drink. The tables set for eating, placemats, silverware, etc. are not meant for clients just having a drink. The waiter will usually ask when you arrive if you are eating or drinking and direct you to the proper area. You may be asked, voulez-vous manger ou boire? Which means, would you like to eat or to drink? Let's repeat that together. Voulez-vous manger ou boire? One more time, please. Voulez-vous manger ou boire? The word manger means to eat, and boire is to drink. How to attract the waiter or waitress' attention? If you see a male waiter, you would say, Monsieur, s'il vous plaît. One more time, Monsieur, s'il vous plaît. And you raise your hand. And for a young female waitress, you would say, Mademoiselle, s'il vous plaît. One more time, Mademoiselle, s'il vous plaît. Or for someone older, you would say, Madame, s'il vous plaît. Again, Madame, s'il vous plaît. You could also use Excusez-moi, madame. So, after me, Excusez-moi, madame. Or for someone younger, Excusez-moi, mademoiselle. Again, Excusez-moi, mademoiselle. Or for a male, Excusez-moi, monsieur. Excusez-moi, monsieur. The word le serveur means the waiter. Let's repeat together. Le serveur. And la serveuse is the waitress. After me, la serveuse. One more time. La serveuse. The waiter or waitress might say something like, Bonjour, monsieur, dame. Vous désirez? Which means, Hello, lady and gentlemen. What would you like? Repeat after me, please. Bonjour, monsieur, dame. Vous désirez? One more time. Bonjour, monsieur, dame. Vous désirez? Or, qu'est-ce que je vous sers? Which means, what can I serve you? One more time after me. Qu'est-ce que je vous sers? Again. Qu'est-ce que je vous sers? The casual way of ordering a coffee will be un café, s'il vous plaît. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Or, a more formal way would be je voudrais un café et un jambon beurre, s'il vous plaît. Which means I would like a coffee and a sandwich with ham and butter, please. So let's say that one more time. Je voudrais un café et un jambon beurre, s'il vous plaît. Now, let's say it slowly. Je voudrais un café et un jambon beurre, s'il vous plaît. How to pay in French. So the simple way to say it is l'addition, s'il vous plaît, which means the bill, please, or check, please. So let's say that one more time. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. One more time. L'addition, s'il vous plaît.